Ka Bodyscapes, a Malayalam movie about homosexuality and gay rights, was recently denied certification by the Central Board for Film Certification. Today we have Shilajit, Revati, and Priyanka discussing this ban, and we'd start off with discussing the idea of freedom of expression and how it's being marred, or if it still is protected by the country. So
It's definitely getting marred. More than that, it's getting sort of stomped upon. India has a cinema as the various mediums of expression. Okay, it's one of the leading mediums to engage any society and reflect its times, and the seriousness with which we and the freedom with which we indulge literature or poetry. Okay, cinema deserves that amount of expression
right,
and depth.
but isn't literature also being
Yeah, now there's
banned
this
as much
whole
as
cloud of mob censorship that's coming. Anyone can like get offended over anything and create and call you an anti-national and whatever. And there's also the bureaucratic, institutionalized oppression of expression that's happening. The censor board is a fine example of that. It is no longer supposed to be the censor board. It's called the Central Board of Film Certification, but they are doing the job of a censor board, which was created in colonial times to repress our national spirit and the spirit for independence and all that. And it's really sad that that same body is now being used by our own people to curtail our own thought and expression.
right.
And
So
what it looks like is that they have a problem with any form of reality. So if we consider what happened with Urta Punjab, they came out with like 81 cuts. Things like if wherever Punjab was being mentioned, or a reality of Punjab when they're talking about drugs and how it's affecting the society. And although there were citizen protests and they didn't end up really cutting except one scene, but it's like they have a problem with any kind of reality that is offensive to their extremist right-wing
or
ideology.
anything to do with religion or sex.
Exactly, even like
right, let's go down to the specifics of movies like Ka Bodyscapes. What do you think, Priyanka, is a problem with the movie as stated by the censor board?
So, Ka Bodyscape is a Malayalam movie based on homosexuality.
Right.
And the censor board has not said specifically that movie is banned because it was based on homosexuality, but they say the movie is banned because there's a scene in the movie where a man is portraying the role of Hanuman and he's holding a pile of books which are
it's
about
actually a
homosexuality.
painting.
Yeah,
It's a painting of a character named Vishnu in the movie who is standing in how
Hanuman
Lord
is
Hanuman is standing with a mountain.
Right,
But,
the Sanjeev
but
Mountain of
but
books.
it's not
yeah.
exactly a mountain, but it's a pile of books
And
Gaelic.
CBFC says it has a problem with that because it has to do with religion and you
And
can't
it
hurt
says it is
your
offensive to
religious
Hinduism.
sentiments.
But it's not restricted to just the Hindu religion, right? A woman who was recently, in the
Muslim
movie, a
woman.
Muslim woman is shown masturbating, and that is supposed to be one of those highlights in the letter released by the director of the Thiruvananthapuram board. So, what are your thoughts on all of that?
It's really sad that a country like India, which historically were the first country to engage any sort of a discourse and discussion on and reflection on sexuality, identity, and gender, has now been dumbed down by this institutionalized right-wing organizations into kind of lumpenization of the mind and about these only bracketed value systems which
Right.
nobody
And the
ascribes
point
to
is
in
that they
India.
find expression and display of homosexuality as offensive.
Not
What
only
is-
homosexuality,
or
sexuality in
anything
any
else.
form.
Any
Sexuality
form,
in
yeah.
any
And it's
form.
funny, like a country of like 1.5 million.
I mean, they
And-
have all these movies with what Mastis are there and
Yeah.
Kya Cool Hai Hum and all that, with men ogling at women, and there's women body parts being
Yeah.
like focused on in the camera, and that's like
That's
that's
how we
literally
do. We like
glorifying
sexuality fed under
from
the
the-
table, like mixed in coke that way. Any sort of
Blatant
direct
sexuality, right?
and that
addressal
too
of
from
the
the
topic.
women's perspective.
Yeah,
like,
and
it's the male gaze
that
is
brings-
literally being
Exactly.
that brings us
celebrated in all these
The-
movies.
that brings us to
Lipstick Under My
lipstick under my book,
Burqa.
right?
Right, so the important aspect of male gaze needs to be discussed because we realize that a lot of cinema works
It's
on
being shown in a celebratory fashion. That's the problem. It's being encouraged at a central
What,
level.
no, what's sad is that such films are being lauded in other
Yeah.
countries, and India is banning
right.
films.
When critically acclaimed movies, are never see the light of the day in countries like India, like by our own filmmakers.
Even with Aligarh, they gave them Aligarh as a adult certificate. They don't
Yeah,
want
just
the
because.
country to know about homosexuality.
Yeah.
And even if these films do come to light, it's because of
And
because some
in that
they
point
might
of
not
an adult certification that it cannot be shown until 11 p.m. at night.
Yeah.
Has to be shown after 11 p.m. Cannot be screened in all the movie halls. Just
So such cases even put the director and the actors at disadvantage because like I just read in a report, the director of Cowboy Escape, he is a New York-based director. So the CBFC had watched the film 3 times, and all 3 times they rejected it. So all the 3 times he had to come down to India, fund for CBFC to come watch the film, fund for their stay, their everything.
Right.
And what was the point? They rejected all 3 times. And we're also overseeing all the effort the actors put,
Into making the entire
Yeah.
movie, yeah. So we have gotten several reactions from different social media platforms, and Twitter has particularly been very active in this forum. So let's end on that note. I think this one person called Radhika Vaz stated that stated in her tweet, "Dear Pailaj Nailani, please stop embarrassing India." So on that note, Shilajit, Revati, Priyanka, and I, Sanjana Ganesh, are signing off. Thank you.